The absolute number one question I get when bankruptcy clients come in to discuss their situation with me is, am I going to lose my house or my car? And my answer is absolutely not. No, you're not going to lose your house or car. In a Chapter 7, you're going to continue making those payments on a house or a car. The bank is going to go and send us what's called a reaffirmation agreement, and you're going to go and sign those and continue to pay. Even if they don't send you a bill, it's important to continue to go and pay to keep those assets. In a Chapter 13, you're going to continue to go and make the house payment, but the vehicle payment is going to be through the plan. So they're going to get their money, instead of directly by you, indirectly by the Chapter 13 trustee. So as you can see, you do not lose your house or your car. Now, there are exceptions because clients, believe it or not, sometimes don't want to keep a house or don't want to keep a car. I had a client come in just the other day and they said, I've got this vehicle, it's very expensive and I don't have a job. I'm going to go and do, something different on a vehicle, get a cheaper one, pay cash for it. Can I stop making payments on the vehicle that I've got? And the answer is absolutely yes. You stop going and making the payments, okay? The vehicle is voluntarily surrendered or repossessed. It's going to be a repossession on your credit report, just so you know either situation you do. And the vehicle is going to be sold at an auction, and the deficiency amount, okay, which could be a judgment if you're sued, is going to be wiped out by the Chapter 7 or the Chapter 13. The same is for a house. If you don't want to keep a house, if it's a money pit, like that movie that Tom Hanks was in, okay, you don't have to go and keep that house. You can go and walk away. I want to tell you about something that I do, okay? It is called bankruptcy or pre-bankruptcy planning. Okay, that is something that's legitimate. It's not fraud, it's disclosed, it's the whole 9 yards, but it is a strategy like a chess game. And I want to go and do that for every client that walks in the door. So I had this gentleman that he happened to be a psychologist come in, and he very much wanted to go and do something on his vehicle, keep it for work, okay? He and his wife were going to get a divorce, complicated situation, but the bottom line is this. Okay, his credit score was good enough, and his vehicle basically was upside down, so you have negative equity. In other words, you owe a lot more than what it's worth, and he had over 100,000 miles on that vehicle. So what I had him do, because he owed so much, is not go and trade it in, simply go buy a new vehicle, okay, and then we filed the Chapter 7 bankruptcy. So therefore, he's going to continue to go and make the payments on the new vehicle. The old vehicle goes goodbye in the Chapter 7. He never has to deal with that again. And he's got a new vehicle, and everybody's happy.